Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Good Shows. If you're enjoying this video so far and maybe even learning something new, take a quick second to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hey, don't forget to smash the notification bell icon. I've seen this error before on the OBS, all excited to record and it falls under this error, checking your recording path, settings, output, and you see that nothing kills your YouTube dreams faster than the OBS refusing to save your masterpiece. But don't worry, today I'm going to help you out fix this error and how to set up the OBS for the 4K crispy recording. Let's get started. The first step is what we're going to do is open preferences on the Mac. So go to OBS on the top left corner and preferences. If you're using the old Mac, it will be settings. So now let's get over to the output mode. By default, it shows like simple options. We want to really goodies. So switch up output mode to advanced and you will see a bunch of sections, streaming, recording, audio. Don't panic, we'll walk through that. So recording path, check where you want to save the files. Click on browse and pick up folder on the desktop, movies or external drive. Make sure you actually have written permissions to save these files. So problem solved. Recording format. I'm looking for the recording format to have .mkv format. So why this? Because if OBS crashes on your laptop, battery dies, missed recording, MKV saves everything up to that moment. So MP4, it corrupts a RIP video. You can always remix MKV to MP4 inside OBS later. So move on to the video encoder, choose Apple VT, the default one for the hardware encoder. Why? Because if offloads the heavy lifting to your Mac GPU, keeping your CPU cool and your fans less angry. Going on to the resolution, video resolution to 4K, keep it as default, but base resolution to have the 4K upload scale to the resolution. That's how it is. And moving on to the audio, keep the audio settings as default to have the pro quality at the moment. So what you see on the screen, keep it like that. And rate control to the CBR. It's a constant bitrate. And output streaming recorder, I would change it to the Apple VDH 264 hardware encoder and bitrate to 6000 KB. Perfect for the YouTubers who can recommend maximum for HD, 4K, and live streaming. Why CBR? Because YouTube likes a steady bitrate. VBR variable can spike or cause buffering. And once you're done, move on to the resources. Now OBS is ready. Let's add some magic. Add resources like browser, audio inputs, media sources, and a few other information, whatever what's on the screen. So add scenes as well. If you require on the scenes, you can click on. The extra note for depreciation is some settings may look different depending upon on your OBS version. So OBS keep updating and older encoders or path may be depreciated. Always check release notes to stay current. If you want me to break down the newest OBS updates in details, drop down a comment and let me know. Cheers, guys. This video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.